and I'm gonna talk today about the thing that you should know before learn not just Arabic, any language. We already wrote it here on the whiteboard. This is my experience. I have read about it too much, research, what should we know before learn language? And for me, actually, the most important thing, this steps, firstly, ليش بدك تتعلم هاللغة? Why do you want to learn this language? Why this language? Because you love languages? Because, for example, Arabic, they say it's hard and you love challenges? Because you have war, you want to work in the future in the Middle East, because you want to you love this language, aside from anything, if you want to work or not, because your partner maybe in the future can be Arabs, all of that. So sit with yourself and ask yourself why I want to learn this language. Because I am living here, for example, I have too many friends, they work remotely and they live especially in Beirut or Jordan maybe. So firstly, ask yourself this question, and then when you start, okay, I want to learn this language, you should find one source that you like, that you love. You love the trainer or teacher or the YouTuber, let's say, and you love what he's doing. So keep watching this, let's say, YouTuber. Okay? Don't distract. لا تشتت حالك بكثير مصادر. Don't distract yourself with too many sources. So you just need one, and then this one you watch more and more and more. Maybe he's downloading once a week or every day a new video. So keep watching one source. Don't distract yourself with too many sources. This is just in the first, for the beginners and for A1, A2, B1, B2. When you are advanced, you can watch anything and you can learn always new words or new vocabularies. This is just from A1 until B2. For free تعلم 4 كلمات جديدة كل يوم. Every day, please learn 4 words at least. These 4 words, it's after money gonna be around 1,500 words, which is كتير. 4 حط قائمة كل أسبوع. Put a list every week. For example, you make conversation in the restaurant, in the airport, doctor, hospital, emergency, taxi, museum, gallery, or masrah theater. So, and don't forget, this week, for example, you have already, if you're learning Kilyom every day 4 words, so every week you have 28 words, right? So make this words, learn new words about conversation in the restaurant, or conversation in the airport, or conversation, let's say, in the doctor. Let's say doctor, okay? If I am learning 4 words every day, so I should know أنا مريض, I am sick. عندي وجع, I have a pain. وجع راس, وجع بطن. So every day I am learning 4 words or 5 words about this topic. I am the doctor and I should speak in Arabic, right? Or in the restaurant, or in the museum. What is the words that I should know if I'm there? Create conversation. You can make it with other learners, other friends maybe. هلا 5 صديق متحدث اللغة. You need a friend native speaker. If you live with a native speaker, it's gonna be amazing, of course. If you don't have this opportunity, you could just have a friend, not okay just to talk with him in his language, friend, and then because friend always could correct you if you make a mistake, because you are not in person to talk with him in the language, especially for people feeling sometimes uncomfortable if they talk with others in new language that they learn right now. ستة الثقة, confidence. So confidence, this is the most important thing. Don't feel embarrassing or frustrating if you talk with someone or he starts making fun or he starts like he looks like he doesn't understand you, doesn't like get your question. Maybe sometimes you talk something so simple. For example, من وين أنت؟ من وين أنت؟ This is okay. Let me tell you something about Arabic, especially the Levantine Arabic. So it's a not old, like people, like it's a new language, let's say. People before, okay, it was people or learners learn the dialect, not the dialect, sorry, the Fusha. But since 10 years, I guess after the Arabic Spring, like it was too many people interested for this language. So sometimes if you look like European, like foreigner, and you speak with someone English, okay, and then you move to Arabic, he's gonna think, this is English word. For example, a friend of mine, she told me, I asked someone, من أي مدينة? From which city? And he didn't understand it. So he's, sorry, and then she repeated, she said, من أي مدينة? It's so clear, من أي مدينة? And she repeated it 3 times, and he didn't get his Lebanese, and he didn't get what she's saying. Why? Because for him, he thought it's an English word. Because for like Arabs, when they look, okay, you are European, and you speak Arabic, it's something not clear for us, not weird, but that I should focus on. Really, they speak Arabic with me or the other language. So really, I asked this guy, and I told him why you didn't reply this person when he was asking you من أي مدينة. He told me, I thought this English word, من أي مدينة, maybe I don't know this one in English, So don't feel frustrating or embarrassing when someone don't understand you. You're gonna be you're gonna expose too many situations that you feel sometimes people don't understand you. That don't make that give you up. Always you're gonna be in too many maybe I don't have to say something else, but okay, sometimes people don't understand me. But don't expect already, you're gonna talk with them and he's not gonna understand me. So I don't want to talk in Arabic or the language that you learn. No, always try. In the first gonna be hard, but it will come later. Sooner or later it will come. Just the confidence, it's so important, always work on it, okay? We all making mistakes on the other languages, maybe in our language sometimes. So maybe now I'm making a mistake in English, I don't know, but I hope it's just understandable for you. 7 راح يصير معك كثير مواقف لا تشعر بالإحراج والإحباط, which is we already talk about that. Then I will review too many situations, don't feel embarrassing or frustrating. اسمعني, اللهجة بتجي مع الاستماع والممارسة. So the accent is gonna come with the listening and practicing. Sometimes, okay, always the people do, you have broken Arabic, which is okay, we understand what are you saying, but sounds weird for us. Don't work hard on it, because it will come as much as you listen, as much as you use this language. But don't make that feel bad, okay? Because, for example, for Italian or Indian or Iranian or Spanish, it's a bit easier the accent, the Arabic accent for them. Maybe because we share the same ocean, maybe the language it's not weird for them, we share cultures, I don't know. but maybe gonna be harder a bit for British or American or Australian or maybe German, French. A bit the accent gonna be a bit harder, okay? But don't work on it harder. Okay, always the people is telling me your accent not that good, blah blah blah. No, it's okay. Just listen more. Podcast. You shouldn't understand everything in the first. Just listen. Just that give you confidence. That makes the language not strange for your brain. Your brain gonna make it okay. Oh, I know this language. You know. Listen as much as you can. To use this language as well, it's important. But listening for me is the most important thing, guys. As much as you listen, as much you're gonna improve your skills of languages. So yeah, I hope I could just give you my experience after years of teaching. And yeah, maybe I missed something, but this is the thing that after years I always which is when I was learning English or I was teaching. So always put notes, what is the thing that we all struggle on. So now I'm learning French English, which is just to feel the student. If he learns language with other, for example, okay, he's Italian, but he learns Arabic. We share the language, just to explain for beginners, English. So how hard can it be for him? We talk with him with other language and to learn the third language. So so I hope it was useful for you. If there is something else that you have experience for, please leave it in the comment. We created this channel, guys. We work hard just for the Arabic learners really fell in love with the language. Make it easy for all of you. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share this video with the other learners that you know. And I will see you next session, guys. I love you all.